What's going on, my Privy Council? It's your main man, King Lister, the best, the only, the greatest. And that's right, you read the title correctly. I am opening up my own PC repair shop / building shop. And it's a psych because I'm actually playing the game. Ta-da! PC Building Simulator. Now let's go. The reason it says continue there is because I just tried it out and it's epic. Anyway, I had to turn the camera on for this. New game, let's go. New game will overwrite in the AR. Bugger off. Yep, let's go. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You've got mail. Cool. That's me. That's my girlfriend. That's my old bed that I broke. That's neat. Okay, so that to pick up. I'm gonna take it over here. Open this. Email. Oh, double click. I changed that on my computer so it's only for single click. Hey, thanks for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry it's not in a better state. Few things, blah blah, I don't really care. And Cloud Notes, welcome to your virus scan. Sure thing. Close it off. What? Okay. Cables. Let's plug it in. This in here. This in here. This in here. And this in here. And then I'm supposed to install a USB drive on it for the booting of the OS and turn the power on. Cool. Add or remove programs, virus scanner. Isn't this game just epic? You must restart your computer for your changes. Yes. And we'll just exit. We'll bosh about. Oh, the other one turned on. Never mind. Let's go. And scan those computers for those pawn viruses. That's like 360 files infected. Yikes, I wonder what he'd been watching in his private time. Anyway. Shut down. Fan stopped. Let's remove the cables. Remove. Unplug. It's mine. Seems fine. Okay. Do that. Pick it up. Go there. Place it down. Right now you just need to collect your pay. Go to your email and hit collect. Collect. I've got £100. Dollars. Jesus, why has everybody got to be American? You've completed your first job. Well done. Come back tomorrow to see if there are any more jobs to do. Okay, does that mean I have to go to sleep? Skip day. Hello. Damn, son. Damn, son. Like, I don't know what any of this is. It just looks good. Oh. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Here you can end the day. Blah, 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 blah. End the day. Nice. Wow. Just wanted to say thank you for fixing my PC faster than ever. Blah 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 blah. I don't care. Go away. Help. Could you accept? Wait. The PC is running as well. Blah 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 blah. Oh, okay. Just gotta give it the once over. This dude wants more space. 500 gigabyte HDD. Double D. I'm a freaking child. And a broken graphics card. Oof. I will accept that later. Never mind, I'll accept it now. What am I doing now? Do I leave? Because they're all in transit. I'm gonna leave. It might not be the right thing to do, but I'm gonna leave. Yeah, it's all being queued for tomorrow. End of the day. Ooh, time for a rave party. Yeah, it tells me what to do for each and every individual one of them. So that there, all that is... I kind of want to gag. That's nasty. How do I clean? Oh, remove it. That's neat. You gotta hold the button down. Oh my. Gross as hell. At least it's teaching me about computers. I hope I've got to remove all this, otherwise I'm not going to be too happy. I'll just restart the game if I've actually got to remove them all. I mean, if I'm not supposed to and I'm just supposed to be cleaning it. This has detail, son. I really hope I'm supposed to be doing all this. Yikes, computers are detailed as hell. Oh, it's time to remove. Oh no. Why are there so many screws? Bruh. If I'm not actually supposed to be doing this, I'm going to yeet something off of a cliff. Oh. Oh, come on. You're killing me over here. Like, you guys are probably experts and know everything about computers ever. Do computers actually have this many frickin' screws in them? Like, there's no way that I can actually clean this, so what am I supposed to do? Oh, I touched the computer. I had no idea what I'd done then, kinda got a bit scared for a sec. I wonder if the computer works. How do I clean? A tutorial would have been nice. Remove the dust? It'd really help if it told me how. You know what? I'm just going to save that one for last. I'll put it back. Let's hope I know what I'm doing with this one, eh? Oh, shoot. So, I'm supposed to install a macaroni as star 500 gigabytes. That's the RAM, right? That's those sticks that I took out. Them things there. Install. That's not what I need. I can't see the number 500 anywhere. Was I supposed to go to the shop to buy more? Oh, okay, let's go away from this. Go here. Not here. He said storage, right? Because he wants 500 gigabytes. I'm assuming that's storage. Okay. This is hard. Shop. 500 gigabytes. I think that's the wrong thing. Storage. Hey, I think I found it. And he wants a macaroni S-Star 500 gigabytes. Add to cart. Wait. What? Did I just buy that? Anyway, that other dude wants... what was it? A GeForce GTX 970 Gamer or better. The 970. Didn't know they made them that low. Seriously? I'm just going to double check that. Okay, 970 it is, weirdo. GTX 970. Come on, give me a 970. Wait, a Sheen. Was it that? Yeah, Sheen GeForce GTX 970. He wants that. View the cart. Just get rid of that. Is there anything to clean computers? It says unlock it later. And same day delivery because I missed buying it yesterday. Oh, I could have saved myself like 80 quid there. Alright, bye now. Jesus. Loud much? Okay, I'll go to the email. Account overdrawn. You don't say. Bugger off. Wait, it said the new parts have arrived in delivery boxes. Oh. Nice. That's what I like. Go on. Install the parts. Memory. No, storage. Yep. That's what this guy wants. No, not set. Install, please. How do I put it in there? Wait, that's not that. Alright, I'll close those two. This is kept here, I do believe. At least it's where the last one was. install. This is the 500 guy, right? Oh, that's on immersive. Close it. You know what? I'm gonna unplug that. Unplug that. Install this here. Wait, am I supposed to be opening it? And then I install it there. There we go. And now cable. Bruh. Bruh. How do I remove that? That is so annoying. I'm moving that to the top or to the left. Okay. No! No, not the main menu. It's options. That's not any of them. Ah, that is not good. And you just being, oh, don't pick that piece up. No, don't pick it up. That's so annoying. Cable. To the bottom right one. Cable. To the most right one. Cable. To the next one along. Cable. To that one. Yes, please. And then we put the two sides back on. Install. No, like the actual case bit. Where is it? Where's this guy's stuff? No. Is that this dude's? That's not good. I don't know which one it was. I'm going to assume it was that one. Hope? Please say it was. I think it was. Alright, I think I'm getting the hang of this. Yeah, plug it in. And then install the tools and software, the USB drive there, and turn that shit on. Yes! Yes! I am a genius. Shut down. I always prefer to shut down, like, in the main bit of the computer. I think I might cut it short for this video. Bye bye.